Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really practical technique that every data analyst or Power BI user should know: how to easily decompose time series data inside Power BI, and for those curious about a bit more, how you can tap into the power of Python, all within Power BI's environment. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to split your data into its key components like trends, seasonality, and understand the hidden patterns in your reports. This is seriously next-level stuff for understanding what's really going on behind your numbers. Let's jump in. First things first, open up Power BI and load up your sample data. I'm using a simple time series dataset for this demo. Think daily sales numbers over a year or something similar, but you can use whatever time-based data you have. Being comfortable with your dataset helps you focus on the process, not the numbers. Now here comes the magic. Decomposing time series data is all about breaking those complicated ups and downs into clear, understandable chunks. Why does this matter? Well, it lets you see not just the overall trend, say, are my sales climbing or dipping over the months, but also recurring patterns like spikes every holiday or dips every weekend. You might spot random noise too, that's the residuals, and seeing those helps you separate real signals from just day-to-day randomness. So while Power BI doesn't have a direct decompose time series button, we can mimic this powerful analysis pretty easily using the visualizations pane. Here, what you do, look for the decomposition tree visualization. It's a flexible, exploratory tool perfect for this. Click on it to add a new visualization to your report. Next, take your metric, maybe total sales or units shipped, and drag it into the Analyze field of the decomposition tree. This tells Power BI what you want to break down and examine. Now here where you really start to peel back the layers. Grab your date field, and if you haven't already, expand it into the date hierarchy. You'll see options for year, month, day, and so on. Take the date hierarchy and drag it into the Explain By field. This sets up a structure so you can drill through your data first by year, then by month, then down to individual days. What I love about this approach is how interactive it is. You can click through each branch in the tree, start with the big picture, then zoom in to see how things are evolving over time, almost like peeling an onion one layer at a time. If you notice a spike in March, you can dig down to see if it's happening on specific days or if there's a repeating seasonal pattern. Sometimes, to get the clearest picture, it helps to add a date table to your model. Power BI loves dates that are consistent and fully built out so that time-based analysis doesn't miss any days or months. Just add a date table related to your data, and you'll notice the decomposition tree instantly becomes more powerful. You'll have crisp, accurate breakdowns, and you can explore trends much more precisely. Alright, so that's how you can decompose time series data visually inside Power BI. It might take a few moments to set up, especially if you're connecting a date table for the first time, but trust me, it's worth it for the clarity you gain. If you want to go even deeper, you can also run Python scripts inside Power BI to use statistical decomposition methods. But even just using the decomposition tree, you're making your analysis so much more insightful. Don't worry if your first attempt feels a little clunky. Exploring and learning is part of the process. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or want to see an example with Python code, drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more hands-on Power BI tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.